Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Vipul Verma and today we are going to discuss about toolbar and elements menu, rotating and flipping of elements, resizing elements, selecting elements and features, formatting and style. So these are the features provided by ThinkCell. Now I have already discussed about elements that are in ThinkCell. So when you click on elements menu, these particular charts and elements will appear. So first of all, I will take example of a single chart and will let you know like toolbar and elements, rotating and flipping of elements, and all these I will cover in today's session. So let's get started. So I have taken a blank slide and let's start with our first chart. Now we will take an example of a chart. Just go to charts and now select stack bar chart. So now you can see the arrows top, bottom, left and right. So here ThinkCell has provided a option like if you want to create chart upward, downward, horizontal and vertical. So I will take an example of normal chart. So you can see the border areas where you want to place the chart. Okay, so I want to place it over here. I will just click and now you can see chart is appeared. So now you can see 8 bubbles around the chart with a highlighted outline. So here if you want to increase or decrease the size of chart, you can do it with these bubbles. So if you want to fill this right area, you can click on chart and bubble will appear. Now you can drag it to the right side. Now if you want to cover the left area, just click and drag it to the left side. Same as top and same as bottom. So now you can see the chart is created and it has already covered the area of the sheet. Now let's first give the proper names to series and categories. So now just double click on the chart. So this is the advanced feature of ThinkCell. Like this is what you see is what you get option. So right now I double click on the chart. This Excel is appeared. Now I can give series name A, B, C and category is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So whatever I am updating in the sheet, Excel sheet, it is automatically updating in the chart. I will going to change some values. Now you can see I have updated the Excel with the values. Now I am closing it and now you can see values are updated in the chart. Now let's start with basic formatting in the chart. Now this is our cell and if I click on it, just left click. So now this options will be appear in the menu. Now you can see if you want to change the size of font, you can click over here and change font size. Like I want it 16 Another option is change the color of font. Now, this particular uh, bar, if you want to change this cell color, you can select it and change it to green or whatever the color required. This is outline color. Let me give like red color if I want to highlight this one. And right now you can see the outline size is very small. We can change the size by increasing it to 2.5. Now it's clearly visible. Now for these two options, we have to give colors to the legends so that you can easily understand what exactly these options are. So, for giving the legend colors, first of all, if you want to select a single cell will be selected, and if you want to select complete series, then press Ctrl A. That particular selected cell series will be selected. Now, just left click. It is showing various colors because there are two different colors, green and gray. Now I will give a single color to red. And right now, if you see the font color is red, I will change it to white. Now, next one for category B, sorry, for series B, let's click on single bar, then Control A, and now you can see default showing gray. Change it to some other color, like let's say dark gray, and you can see right now A having red color, B having gray color, C having a light gray color. So you can see we have changed the series colors to series A to red, series B to gray, and series C to light gray. Now let's come back to the option segment in sheet order. So right now, whatever, let me double click and open the Excel file, whatever the data I have entered. So right now you can see A at the top, B in middle, C in bottom. So to select these option, right now it is like whatever I have typed in the same way chart is created. But once I just click on the chart and you can see the option segment in sheet order. So if I want to reverse, so let's see what will happen. Now you can see right now A comes to bottom and C comes to top. So it automatically reverses the value, but you can see if I double click on the chart, the value over here will not change. It will change only in chart. Now I am closing it. Now just click on it. Let me make it in a proper way like previously. Coming back to the normal chart again. Let's go to sheet order, and now you can see descending order. So right now you can see multiple values, but if I select descending order, so all highest values will become at bottom and lowest values will come at top. And if I select ascending order, smallest value will come in bottom and highest value will come in top. These are for series wise, and you can see it's a segment. And now I will make it segments in normal order. Now we will do it for categories. Now just select normal click and categories order. Normal order is this one. If we are going to reverse it, right now it is from 2005 to 10. So it will change to 2010 to 2005. Let me click it. Now you can see 2010 to 2005. Again, make it normal. Now you can see a normal chart. And if you click on it, you can see if I want to change it from for descending order. If you click on descending one, now you can see the highest value will come at first and lowest will come at last. And now if you are changing it for ascending order, you can see lowest value will be at the first and highest will be at the end. So now this is the basic formatting part of ThinkCell. So this is it for today. Today we have covered all the basic formatting of ThinkCell. If you have any question or query, please write in the comment box of YouTube. If you really like this video, please give a thumbs up and like and subscribe our channel. So this will give us motivation to create more and more videos on ThinkCell. Thank you again.